Best books for entrepreneur mindset. Don't say Hassan's. Hassan. He has it's like an ebook. I think a book that really helped me. So the classic Rich Dad Poor Dad. I read that when I was like 15 maybe, and that maybe even younger. Changed my mindset. I'd say the Compound Effect. That's helped me a lot. I've read a lot of stuff by Jeff Bezos. Bezos, whatever. That's super good. Went back and there's a book that has all of his company accounts, not company accounts, Amazon shareholder statements going back to the origin one. I think that's super cool. That's a super interesting thing. So I like watching that. I like watching that. I like reading that. Those are the main ones that like come to mind, but there's a lot of books that I have read over the years. Not like I haven't read like 100 books, but I've read a good like 10, but I've read them multiple times and they've really stuck with me. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.